I want to welcome you especially to this week's weekly analysis. Okay, so what are we saying for the new week? It is simple, it is easy. Just pay close attention to all I'm going to be showing you. This is my perception in the market. This is my market foresight, directional bias I'm seeing, and I strongly believe that this will help you to win your trades this week and succeed and be profitable in this beautiful week. Are you ready? Okay, so let's go closely, and remember, in this analysis I'm just going to be showing you GBP USD, GBP JPY. Then on the synthetics I'm going to be showing you volatility 25 and jump 25 only, just the four of them, of which the rest ones, which are the Euro USD, the CAD USD, that's Canadian USD, and the rest of the other ones, Australian USD, will be on the private community, okay, of which I also regard as the VIP community. Okay, so if you want to be a part of that, then you need to visit kfctrading.com, get onto any of the packages we have. We have the 1 month plan, we have the 3 months plan, we have the 7 months, we have the 12 months plan. Any of these plans that you get on board will give you access to our mentorship packages, and you can have access to all other pairs and synthetics. We also trade stocks, commodities, and CFDs. You're going to find that on the mentorship and private community. So quickly, let me just show you. DXY is trying already to change its directional bias and become bullish. Okay, it's been bearish for a very long time and is about to go bullish, and what will allow and permit it to go bullish is after it's been able to accumulate all of these liquidities on this side. So because of that, we're going to trade it ranging, okay, first of all, in the new week, before we begin to consider taking it as an uptrend market, for which once it is uptrend, then we're going to find sales on GU. Remember, that's our confluences. Okay, so now for the DXY movement at the opening of the market, I'm going to be expecting DXY to fill up all of these liquidities on this side, coming down to this order, and then maybe fill up this void up to this point. So at the opening of the market, I'll be expecting DXY to go bearish first, of which once that bearish move is confirmed, there will be a short bullish move on GU. As you can see, there will be a short bullish move on GU, but it's not going to go very far. So let me just confirm my liquidities so that I can be able to ascertain where exactly I will be going in from. Okay, so these are my liquidities, so I will not even be buying, okay, because I've drawn out these liquidities, though they've been tested, but I want to see what price would do holding from this point or this point. So I will not be trading GU immediately, even though I see DXY moving. I'm going to expect to see what consolidations will be done here first before I decide what to do on GU. So make sure you stay on the community. Click on our website kfctrading.com. It's on this channel, the description side, or whether on the profile. Once you get there, locate the free channel. Okay, it's either you're in the WhatsApp group or you're on the Telegram group. There I'm going to give updates, because I'm going to let you know when we are buying GU or when we are selling GU. Quickly, let's go to GJ. So GJ is giving me a clear sign that it's going to be bullish, okay, because it's maintaining a bullish trend line, okay, of which all I need is my confirmation on my entry time frame, which is my 2-hour time frame, and I will let the community know that okay, this is when we're buying. Okay, so you see why you need to be there. All right, so let's see what GJ gives us at the open market, but that's the directional bias I'm saying. Then as for volatility 25 has been on a constant downtrend, and this constant downtrend has come to a point where I think it may begin to retrace, but there are still upside liquidity on the upside, so we may not be buying immediately. So we're just going to observe it first to see the consolidation and then decide what direction it's going, and finally jump 25, which is the last on the synthetic, is currently buying, and we're going to find the buying move. See you on the free channel.